How to download CapCut on PC and laptop. First, open up your web browser. It could be any web browser of your choice, but I'm using Google Chrome. What you have to do is just basically type in CapCut. And once you type it in, here as you can see, this is the first link to it. Just go to the website. And once you're here, you will be able to see the option of download. Just basically press on download. And now it's downloading. So here as you can see, this is the setup wizard for it. So here as you can see, it will ask you this, and then it's gonna install those CapCut for you. But yeah, I already have like CapCut on my device, so I don't need to download it or install it. So it's just gonna do the process, and once you do this, it's just gonna download and install after that. So yeah, once you do this, here as you can see, this is how CapCut should look like on your computer. And if I press on it, and here as you can see, so yeah, if I press on create project, here it is. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can download or install CapCut on your PC or laptop. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like and goodbye.